Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody left me a message off one of my videos. They want to draw with like this art tool, the 3-point curve line, any tool, generate a second arc that's originally equally spaced a half an inch across the line, basically to generate a pair of train tracks. And I've already done it, it works well. So get your line tool and open up this right here, which is parallel drawing. You don't have to do anything yet. Let's get the 2-point line and let's make a line. Then let's get the 3-point curve line. I'm just kind of showing you could use any line, and we'll go here and do just the opposite. And you finish the line, but go right here. I've got it set on one, another, you don't put two, you put one for another one. And then click right here, and it made, where the train track wouldn't have that sharp of a turn in it, but it'll draw those two lines a half inch apart perfectly. There's actually another way to do that I'm going to do in another video, and I'm going to actually show this person maybe how to add the trestles or the wood underneath the train track. But this doesn't matter what tool you use. You could use the freehand tool, and then you add a second line and you get that. Of course, you wouldn't want to use that for a train track. But if you look and it's not up there, you've got to go to your pen tool, and it's right here. And you can have, multiple lines, and then do this. And I've done several videos on this. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.